Welcome to DeVinci Cast Stone, where our cast stone fireplace surrounds are truly magnificent works of art. Please enjoy this quick installation video and visit us again at www.DeVinciCastStone.com or call us at 405-680-5600. DeVinci Cast Stone products are created using state-of-the-art materials and techniques. Our fireplaces are cast in a variety of styles and colors and can be custom designed and created if the customer desires. We are very proud to say that some of our artisans and installers were schooled in Europe, the last bastion of professional training in the art of stone masonry. Before we get started with the install, let me explain a bit about the anatomy of a fireplace. Although our styles vary greatly, they are comprised of various combinations of similar components. Starting from the bottom, our fireplace surrounds are supported upon a hearthstone. In some applications, the hearth can be raised, as seen in the unit on the left. Some styles include filler panels at the bottom, sides, top, or in various combinations. The main supporting structures between the hearth and the mantel are the legs. The fireplace box is a structure which contains the actual fire. DeVinci Cast Stone sells a stone firebox that we procure from an internationally renowned manufacturer, but our surrounds are compatible with most any type of firebox that is used in residential or commercial applications. The header spans between the legs and supplies support for the material. The mantel shelf in most applications is the topmost portion of the actual fireplace surround, upon which accent pieces are placed to enhance the ambiance of the room. In some applications, the mantel shelf may rest upon a separate accent shelf. DeVinci Cast Stone also manufactures panel walls or overmantels that can enhance the appearance of the fireplace surround. Lastly, some styles include a cast stone crown that accents the top of the structure. After safety considerations and careful handling of DeVinci Cast Stone components, the most important aspect of the installation will be maintaining level. Any deviation from level throughout the build will be magnified and can affect the aesthetics of the final product. Here you can see our artisan installer confirming that the surface upon which the fireplace surround will be installed is perfectly level. As components are installed upon one another, plastic grout spacers are used to assure an appropriate grout joint. Thin and medium plastic shims are sometimes stacked on top of the grout spacers as needed to maintain level at each step of the build. Also, at each step of the build, every component is checked for matching placement to the adjacent components as well as level vertically, horizontally, and front to back. In preparation for the build, lines are lightly scribed on the wall showing the location of the center line of the firebox and the center of all wall studs. The lines extend slightly above the overall height of the fireplace surround. Throughout the build, the majority of the components will be individually secured to the wall using angled wall brackets or to one another using connecting brackets. The first component installed is the hearth. It is checked for level and that it is perfectly centered on the firebox. This fireplace surround incorporates bottom, right, left, and top filler panels, the first of which that is installed is the bottom. It is leveled and centered on the firebox. Next come the right and left filler panels. They are installed with their faces matching the bottom filler panel and are leveled individually and between the two. The final piece of the filler panels to be installed is the top panel. The next components to be installed are the legs. As you can see in this picture, the legs are heavy and unwieldy. Great care must be taken during placement that no one is injured and that the leg corners do not damage any of the previously installed components. Both legs are installed, confirming that they meet the top of the top filler panel and that they are level individually and with each other. The next component installed is the header. Often, carvings and accents are cast into the mantel shelf. This surround incorporates a three-piece accent shelf that is mounted below the mantel shelf. The middle piece of the accent shelf is installed first and is centered on the firebox center line previously scribed on the wall. Installation of the middle piece of the accent shelf is followed by installation of the right and left pieces. Finally, the three-piece mantel shelf is installed. First the middle piece, followed by the right and left. Now we are ready to grout. The most important, and probably the most tedious portion of the grouting process, if not the entire build, is taping the grout joints. Both sides of all grout joints must be taped. The care taken during taping will pay benefits during the grouting process and in the final look at the product. Also, since grouts often contain coloring elements, great care should be taken to protect surrounding surfaces that could become discolored. The easiest and best way to apply a grout is through the use of a grout bag. Using a grout bag enables you to insert the grout well into the joint, filling any voids between components. We're sure that you'll agree that the finished product is a magnificent work of art that would enhance the appearance, if not the value, of any home or office. DeVinci Cast Stone owners and employees take great pride in the quality of our products, knowing the great homes and offices in the United States and around the world display the beauty that their hands have created. Thank you for taking the time to view our informational video. If you would like more information on DeVinci Cast Stone products, please visit our website at www.devincicaststone.com or call us at 405-680-5600. From our homepage, you can download a PDF version of our product catalog or a comprehensive version of the install procedure you just viewed. Have a blessed day.